Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video we are going to learn about for loop in Microsoft Excel VBA. In previous video we have learned how to use loop in Microsoft Excel VBA. Actually there are 5 types of loop in Excel VBA like for loop, for each loop, do while loop and do until loop. So let's go to the computer screen for detail. So first of all we will learn about basic structure of for loop. So here you can see some text are written in the black color. This is the part of for loop basically. And here is the red color like saffron color. This is the counter and the number part. Okay. And in between we can write some statements also. Okay. So here after writing for we can put a counter like a variable. Okay. And then equal to followed by start to end. And this step part is optional. We can put it on our code or not. We will see about it in detail in this video. Okay. And exit for is a statement by which we can exit from the for loop at any stage of the for loop, like at the end, at the beginning, from anywhere. And next is next space counter, that is for increase or decrease our variable, that means counter. So now we will write for loop code. So here we are in the Excel screen now. Okay. For this we will take a variable first like dim I as integer. Okay. And as per our syntax, I will write down here for space. Suppose we are going to run this loop from 1 to 10. Okay. So for I equals to 1 to 10. So this is our base statement. I am not writing here the step part. Okay. This is basically optional. If I do not put anything after the number, then it will consider as plus 1 in the step. So here at the end will be like next I, and we can put also the next like this, but this is the better way to put like next and I. So here we can write down our statements, I mean the codes basically. We can fill serial numbers here like 1 2 3 4 up to 10. Okay, so let's put it like range a and I dot value equals to I, as we seen in the previous video. Okay. So if I run this code, you can see 1 to 10 will be there in the column A. So now we will talk about the step option. Okay. So step means, so here by default the number is increasing, I mean the counter is increasing by plus 1. But here we can manage it like this, like step 2. If I put step 2 here, the number will be increased by 2. Let's see it. Before that I will delete it. And if I run it, you can see like 1 3 5 9, it is increasing by 2 automatic, and it is not exceeding the limit of the 10. You can see it stop at 9. Okay. If I need to fill the serial number one by one, I mean without jumping any cell, then we can use another variable to maintain this like this. There will be a variable like j as integer also, and j will be always start with 1, and instead of I will put here j, and we will increase the j to go to the next cell like j equals to j plus 1. That's it. If I run this code after deleting, you can see there will be number will be not jumped. I mean number will be jumped, but the cell will be not jumped. Let's try. You can see 1 3 5 7 9. If I run this in debug mode, you can see now the I is 1. Okay. Once is passed, you can see it is in the one cell, I mean A1 cell. Once it go to the next, you can see I become 3 now because the step is 2 here. I mean it's increasing with 2 always. Okay. In that case. So that's why it is coming like 2, 3, 5 and 9 and so on. Okay. So we are putting here like 2. You can mention here number as per your requirement. Also we can mention some number like minus in minus values. If we are starting our loop from bigger number like 100 and ending our number like 50. Okay. So then what will be here? We will put the step minus like 2 or something like minus 5. Then let's see what happened now. If I delete it, so first value of I will be like 50. You can see 50. I mean sorry 100. Next will be like 95. Next will be like 19, 85, 80. Every time is decreasing with 5 because we have mentioned here step as minus 5. Hope you understand this matter basically. Now we will learn about the exit for statement. So exit for a statement by which we can exit from our loop at the any part, at the any point from our loop. Suppose there is a condition, okay, if I run this code, you can see it's coming until 50 because the ending point is 50 here, okay. Suppose there is a condition, somewhere the cell color will be yellow, then the code will stop there, the loop will stop there. Then what will happen? Let's fill this cell with yellow color, okay. So let's try with that. Let's try with code to stop our loop here, okay. So after entering value here, before increasing the value of j, we will put some condition here with if statement, as we have learned in previous videos. So if range a and j. So what is a and j basically? A is the column number and j is a variable which is increasing one by one every time the loops run, okay. So first it will be a1 cell, second will be a2, next a3, a4 and so on. So dot interior dot color. So every time it will check the cell color equals to VB yellow. Then exit for. So this is the code basically, exit for main. We have write this code, the if statement in the single line, okay. So now if I run this code, you can see there is the stop value like 50, but it is stopping at 85 at the cell 4. If I change this, if I increase some text here, some column here, you can see what is happening. I'm just increasing some. You can see now here is the yellow color. If I run this code again, you can see here it is stopping. It's becoming dynamic because every time it's checking that where is the yellow color. If yellow color exists there, then it is exiting from the for loop. Let's check it with debug mode. If I run it with debug mode, you can see just deleting it, okay. I am deleting some cells from above and I am running it on a debug mode. You can see now j is 1, j is 2, j is 3 and now j is 4, okay. You can see yellow color VV yellow is matched, the condition get matched. Now the exit for code is highlighted and it's, so when the system read the exit for, we can see we are in the, we are out from this loop basically. So that is the basic structure of the for loop. About the next statement, about the exit for statement, we have learned about all in this video, and the special about the step. So I will share this file with you. You can download it from the description. Put a thumbs up here if you like this video. If you are new to this channel, hit subscribe button followed by bell icon. We will meet in a new video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.